Hey everyone, how's it going? So, for a lot of us right now, January is a pretty cold month, and so a lot of people are trying to find things to do in the cold. So, one of the things a lot of people like to do is play hockey. So, today I want to show you guys how to draw a cartoon hockey player. So, to start off with this, we're going to make the head. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go straight across like this. Then I'm going to draw two lines that go up. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across like this. And that's going to be the top of the helmet. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And then it's just going to come back down to here. And then I'm going to put a little curved line like this, kind of like a V shape. And then one over here as well. And then I'm just going to put two lines going down here, just for some details on the helmet. Now, I want to make the face. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and then it's going to come back up like this. Then I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a circle for an eye, and then another circle for an eye over here. And then I'm just going to put two little circles in here. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of it, just for like a simple cartoon eye. Then I'm going to do the same thing right over here. Then I'm just going to add a little kind of curved line for the nose. And then I'm going to put a little smiley face on there. And then I'm going to draw a taller smiley face. And I'm going to put a little curved line for the tongue. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of the mouth. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw another line that's just going to curve right around here. And then I'm going to put a little bump at the bottom of here, kind of like a little chin protector. Now, on the sides of here, I'm going to put two little half circles for some ears. And then I want to work on the body. So I'm going to make the body a little bit smaller just because we want it to be kind of cartoony. So, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down to here. And then I'm going to make a line that goes across, and then it's just going to curve back up here for one of the arms. And just to keep it simple, I'm just going to make a little circle for the hand. Now this next arm, I'm going to draw it up here, and I'm just going to kind of curve it down like this. I'm going to make a line that goes over, and then I'm going to curve it back up like this. And I'm going to put another little circle shape right at the end there for the hand. Now, I want to make the hockey stick, so we want it to kind of run through both of these hands. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that goes from here to here. Then you want to jump over this hand and draw a line that goes down. And then I'm going to jump over this hand and just draw a line that goes up. Then I'm going to draw another line that's going to go here to here, here to here, and then here to here. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that goes across. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up at a diagonal. And then I'm just going to kind of bring it down and then let it connect right to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down for the body. I'm going to jump over the hockey stick here and draw a line that goes down and then over. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes down, over, and then back up for one of the legs. Another one here that goes down, over, and then back up for a leg. And then right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down, and that's just going to come back around for a foot. Same thing over here. And then I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve on each end. Do it to this one as well. And then I'm just going to make a big curve to here, and then a big curve right to here. Then for some details, I'm going to draw a little line that goes across here, and a little line that goes across here. And then I'm going to put a couple little U shapes right here on top of it for some details. I'm going to make a little line across here. And then I'm going to put two little lines up here on the sleeves, and then two on this sleeve as well. And then I'm going to draw a little line that goes across here and a little line to here. And then I'm just going to draw a little V shape right here, and then another one just for some detail on there. And then on the hockey stick, I'm going to draw a couple little lines on the end. And then I'm just going to draw a little line right here at the end. And then finally for the puck, all I'm going to do is just draw a little oval shape. Make two lines that go down. And then just connect it with a curve. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon hockey player. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.